Well, hey there people. Well, today's mission, I'm going to install my kitchen sink, finally. I went to my shed, I tore down a wall, I found my Sawzall, so I'll just use my Sawzall. Should do the trick. It's got the wood blade on it. It should do the trick. I'll try not to mess it up. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to have to cook this one day. Hilarious. It's ready to be cooked. Spaghetti squash. But before we start doing this, I want to show you guys what my doctors got me to buy. Well, anyway, so they wanted me to get a blood pressure monitor because of all the pills I'm on. They increased my dose of blood thinners, I guess. Anyway, I got to do this twice a day. My insurance did not cover it. I found this one at Staples. It was on sale for $49. It was a regular $120. Well, anyway, they insisted, so I had to do it. So yeah, it's pretty easy to use. You just sync it to your phone. Like, there's one button, you turn your button on and it automatically shows up here through your Bluetooth, and boom, boom, boom. I don't have to show you that. Anyway, let's check out my blood pressure, see if I'm alive or dead. It comes with an installation guide, but it's pretty straightforward. Like I said, one button and away you go. Well, here's the unit here. It's all Velcro. So you just wrap that around your bicep and turn it on, and it'll tell you whether or not you're dying. Okay, well, they want you sitting comfortably. It's easy at the bar. And you just put it over your little bicep up here. Just like that. About an inch away from the crack. And there we go. Turn it on. And start. I'm not going to be sitting comfortable for this test, but I'll just show you. Probably can't see that, eh? Okay. So yeah, I brought this with me to the pharmacy. I wanted to compare it to the machine they have there to this one, and it was exactly the same. So I just wanted to make sure I wasn't buying a piece of junk. Twice a day I gotta do this. Twice a day I gotta remember to do this. And there we go. Am I dying? Well, anyway, let's compare it to the chart. The joys in life, eh? Okay, enough. I gotta say, it's a little awkward to use with this Velcro, the way they have it set up. Not a big fan. Go back in there. You're not getting back in there. There you go. Anyway, till later. Well, before I keep procrastinating with the sink, eh? Well, anyway, before I get to the sink, I wanted to share something with you guys. When I visited Sudbury, the second last time actually, I hung out with Dan Sugarman from Satan Sugar Band, and he sent me home with these to give to you guys. All you have to do is tell me you want one and pay the shipping, and I'll send you a CD. Got, what, 50 of them. So I think that's pretty fair. Pay the shipping. If you guys do want one and order one, if you have a decal or something you want me to advertise for you guys, maybe I'll throw it on the back of my truck or behind the bar, or who knows. So right on. Yeah, I'm pretty old school. I'm always thinking snail mail, but I guess we can do e-transfer or PayPal or something. But for real, on the decals, your decals, send me a decal of your company, your business, your YouTube, or whatever you want. I'll throw it on my truck or whatnot. I'll do a little advertising for you guys. Well, I'm not going to give you a sample. Most of you that watch me on a regular basis, you've heard a lot of these tunes. But anyway, they have a website. Go check them out, Satan Sugar Band. They got a couple good videos on there, a couple that I help produce and videotape or whatnot. But yeah, check them out. Alright, let's get this done. Enough's enough. Guess I'll just take a little off here, a little off there, maybe here and there. Oh yeah. There we go. I'll just keep going, I guess, eh? I'll cut there and there and it'll fit perfectly. Take a little bit off the front here, then we'll be in. It's scrappy outside. That's it. Well, that's scrappy out. How could you get out? For a scrappy scrap. It's too cold. My God, it's like minus 37, Scrappy. How'd you sneak out? You must be froze. Thanks for pointing that out, Zeus. Good boy. Smart dog. Anyway, oh yeah. Yes, I do talk to my animals. They're my children. It should be good now. Let's try the sink. Avatar country. A little more. Need to take a little off that corner there. Just got to take a little bit off the side here and we'll be good. Clean up this mess before it gets carried away. Well, I've done my stairs, almost. I just got to cut that steel nosing and slap it on. All I have is my skill saw and my sawzall. I need something to cut straight, so, and metal. We'll figure that out. So yeah, these things are giving me a bit of grief. Like I don't want to just cut them with my skill saw because, you know, I'm not going to be cutting straight. And I'm still playing around with all of these stupid baseboards. Said it before and I'll say it again. I hate them. So I don't know what I'm going to do there. Well, I bought new pieces for here. So I'm just going to end it there. And this, end it there. Yeah, I gotta get all these cut. Like I said, I only got a skill saw. It's pretty hard to cut straight. Actually, that one's too small. Anyway, they're all over the place. Hate these. I hate them, I hate them, I hate them. Well, I was thinking for this piece, or for all those pieces, I got a piece of this left over. They still sell them at Rona. So I was thinking of cutting them and putting them in there, bonding them together with some putty. So you don't see the joint or whatnot. That might work. Well, I glued all these down with contractor glue, heavy duty industrial, so they're not going anywhere. Coming together, slowly but surely. What's going on here now? Junk. See, the guy who installed these floors from Rona, yeah, he wasn't supposed to use this stuff. He just didn't have any with him. He was supposed to use this stuff here. He only had one piece with him. So I'm going to have to get on the phone with Rona and fix that. More baseboard bullshit. You can tell I use that often, eh? Well, it's telling me it wants to be empty. Boom! Play some flotsam and jetsam.
Flotsam Flotsam and Jetsam Tilda Drift full album, 1995 on YouTube.
Right on. Perfect. Just gonna caulk that in place and strap her down with these. Keep playing that song.
Yeah.
Backstreet Boys. Come on, Google. Well, there we go. She's all caulked and loaded. Just gonna put the tap in, reconnect everything. Well, I'm one step closer. Just gonna connect the hoses and attach that spray thing. Alright, we got the water reconnected. And now to hook up that spray nozzle thing in my jiggy. Kinda forgot to put these screws in. I gotta get back up there. Ow, cramps. They're legit. Click and pull, they say, eh? Push till you hear a click and pull. There you go. Simple, simple. Now to deal with this. I guess I should have played with it before I put the zinc right in it. That might work there. But I'm gonna have to buy some pieces to hook this side up because there used to be a carburetor, so I don't know if I mentioned this, but I have no clue what I'm doing. Boom. Just like that. I've done what I can do for now. I'm just gonna have to get a pipe from here to there. Elbow in 2 pieces. I'll measure everything out, take some pictures, and go to the plumbing store tomorrow. Plumbing store meaning Rona. And we'll get her hooked up. Too bad I didn't have a cap. We can use that side of the sink for now. Anyway, we'll turn it on and see if we got any leaks here. Just turn it on a little bit. So I'm going to pick up a roll of that plumbing, the white plumbing tape. Another thing I'm giving away are these LED headlights. I'm just going to leave my truck stock. I don't want to start playing with, like these have fans on them and stuff, so I'm just going to leave them stock. Well, here they are. I tried them on the Ford, they work. So if you think they'll fit your vehicle, just let me know and pay the shipping and they're yours. If you want to see if they actually fit your vehicle, just Google that. What's going on, Scrappy? Inspecting my work. Hey, buddy. That's a good girl. Look who's warming up from her trip outside. Yeah, it was freezing today. Freezing, I tell ya. Man, it's been cold for a long time. It's in a 5-day. Oh. It's warming up, minus 13 on Monday. Brutal, brutal. I'm not complaining at all, like we're used to it, right? But this is going to be good for the creek, actually. Everything will be frozen solid for a while. So if you guys want one of those CDs, just leave me a comment, we'll go from there. And if you want that light, I guess the first person who really wants it, first comment about them, whatever, you can have them. Anyway, people, big cheers. Thanks a lot for watching. I really do appreciate it. Talk to you guys later.